안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 리자예요. 오랜만이에요. 만나서 반갑습니다. 네, 잘 지냈어요 여러분? 나는 괜찮아요. 그리고 오늘은 날씨가 정말 좋아요. 네, 그래서 제가 진짜 너무 행복해요. Yes, and welcome back to another video, everyone. Yes, and for today's video, I am going to share with you my journey as the KoreanNet honorary reporter. And also, I am going to share with you a quick unboxing video for the physical certificate that just arrived today. Yes, and as you can see, yes, there you go. This was actually sent through the Korean Cultural Center here in the Philippines from South Korea, and it just arrived today, so I'm gonna check out what's inside. Yes, but I'm sure it's actually the physical copy of the certificate of being an honorary reporter. And let's see if what other things are inside. I'm so excited because I've only known it to be the physical copy of your certificate, but they said they actually included some souvenirs. So let's see. Oh, I so love the folder. And as you can see, it's actually sealed. Yes, it's actually sealed. You can see that. It's sealed. Here. Here. Oh, I think it was actually opened. And here. Yes. Now let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my, I so love it. Ta-da! Yes. And as you can see guys, it's actually my first ever year as the KoreanNet honorary reporter. So it's very sentimental for me. And it was actually unexpected for me to be able to be chosen as one of the honorary reporters, because we are actually we are so many. Yes, and I'm so thankful. Okay, let's see. Ta-da! Oh, I so love it. It's actually a traditional diary book, or like diary notebook, I guess. Yes, let's see. Wow! 대박! Oh, I heard about 민화. 민화. 네. Oh, also, I actually noticed this image in the current ongoing Korean drama that I've been watching, Lovers of the Red Sky. I remember Hon Chong-gi drew this image. Yes, wow, nice. And of course, ta-da! Ooh. Oh, okay, so this is actually the physical copy of the certificate of appointment. So, certificate of appointment, this is to certify that the above individual has been appointed as an honorary reporter for the Korean Culture and Information Service of the Ministry of Culture, Sports and Tourism. Wow. And it actually has the seal on it. Yes. So before, we were actually given the digital copy, but fortunately, those countries who have Korean Cultural Center, we actually tried to send the physical copy through the KCC. And fortunately, we have KCC here in the Philippines. That's why I was able to receive it. Okay. Plus, of course, the pin. You can see it. Honorary reporter. You can see the pin, right? Oh, it's so cute. Yo, there you are. Yes. Okay, so I'm just very thankful, and if you wanted to read some of my articles in the community, you can actually try to check the link in the description below. I'll post the links of my articles, and from the start of this year's honorary reporting program, I was able to write 3 articles. Yes, and I'm so thankful for the community and of course for the coordinators, especially to Cal and Annie. Thank you so much, guys. And this is actually a very unforgettable experience because, as you know, I so love everything about Korea. So as much as possible, I used to join a lot of programs and community that shares their love and passion for Korea. So thank you so much, guys, and I hope that you will have a wonderful day ahead. Have a wonderful day. 감사합니다, 여러분. 안녕.